Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to connect Bluetooth devices to your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the notification area and long press on Bluetooth option and turn on this button so that your device will be scanned, will be visible to other devices while they are scanning. Okay, so bring other device here. In other device too, you have to go to the notification area and long press on the Bluetooth, and turn on Bluetooth and click on pair new device, and your device will be scanning here and both will be scanning each other. Okay, your S24 will be scanning other devices and other device will scan your S24 Plus. Okay, so here available device showing Oppo F9 and still this device is not shown. Just wait, they are scanning. Yes, Gerolina is this device name. Okay, click on Gerolina and it be pairing. Yes, pairing request is done, and click on pair on both devices, and yes, Gerolina is now connected to your device. Gerolina is connected to other device. Okay, Gerolina is your device and your device is now connected to other device. So in this way you can easily make Bluetooth connection in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.